Hi friends, this is Nishta from Aulati. I'm here today to share with you a simple makeover project. I had this old Hanuman idol with me, its paint has chipped off, so I decided to repaint it. And I really love these gorgeous South Indian hand-painted wooden idols, so we are going to use that as an inspiration. First I prepared the base. I gave a coat of gesso to cover the existing paint. I have diluted the paint and applying a thin base coat. Applying a second coat in the crevices shadow areas to create a 3D effect. For the metal and jewelry part, I first applied a yellowish-orange base coat. Next, I applied thick yellow paint on the center of the jewelry design, avoiding the edges. This creates a 3D effect. With dilute yellow color, I am creating highlights on various elevated portions of the idol. Shading the dress folds with deep green color. With a very fine brush and dark brown color, I painted the eyes, the inner part of the mouth, and also created fine lines at other places requiring shading, which would have been similar to the wood engraving. Next, I wanted to decorate. I have used white paint, applied thick dots sitting on the jewelry to create a 3D effect. Next, with a black liner pen, I have added fine lines to create engraving-like effect. This is only done in the dress, in the mountain, which is the darker part of the idol, so that it doesn't stand out too much. Finally, applied 2 coats of varnish to give it a glossy finish.